Nigga, you come straight, I'm chasing when everything you can catch on your playlist. EP drop in September, baby. Woo! Nigga, you come straight, I'm chasing. Woo! Spaceship. Make a movie like famous Jason. Getting naked in a spaceship. Hey. I need a vacation if you ain't lucky. They know that I'm dangerous. Catch your head up, you know that I'm Jason. Savage mode when I'm chasing that paper. All the water on me, call me Noah. Yeah, I'm good when I'm fresh off the boat. LV when you look at my coat. Diamonds dance when you look at the neck. Never faked it and still made a money. Never stop until I'm touching a bully. Fuck with me, then I leave you like Freddy. You saw the movie, so nigga be ready. I'm that nigga that's holding it steady. I'm that nigga that's deep in the belly. So, what's up? Yes, hope you guys are lekker, hope you good. EP is dropping September. Make sure you guys get that. Anyway, you're not here to talk about music. You're here to talk about money. Because I'm all about my money. So, remember I posted on Instagram that I'm going to post, or that I'm going to deposit $10,000 into my trading account. And then we're going to see how much I can make in 3 weeks with $10,000. And some of you guessed $3,000. Some people guessed $1 million. Some people weren't realistic about it. This is Forex trading. It's not the lotto here. Nah. So, anyway, deposited $10,000. So, let's go to the history, man. Let's show you guys what the trades are looking like. From the deposit, literally. I'm actually going to withdraw too so you guys can see how I withdraw. So, I flipped $10,000 to $62,000. So basically I made $1 million in 3 weeks. And I started trading, I made $1 million in 3 months. Now it's 3 weeks. The boy is getting better every day. So anyway, come see. So as you guys can see here, I'm gonna go all the way up. Now this is a live account, by the way. FX Pro, international broker, you know what it is, baby. So, balance $10,000, deposit, started trading. Trading history, all the way. All the way. Now, bear in mind, the lot sizes you're about to see is not for small boys. Please, don't come here with a $500 account and want to do this. You're going to blow. Okay? Okay, sharp. Come see. So, profits all the way. But what happened is my phone died. And I took a big loss, which was here, minus $4,000, which wasn't a setback because I'd already doubled my account in 2 days worth of depositing my account. So already doubled it, and then I took this loss, which set me back. But you know, it's the market. You make some, you lose some. As long as the outcome is income, you're good. So, then from there, build it up nicely, lekker, boom, boom, boom. This is literally my trading history, guys. There's only a lot of blue, as you can see, because blue is the color. So from $10,000 all the way. So I was in Kruger National Park last weekend, and I actually played some trades that ran over the weekend. And these are the outcomes. Sorry guys, it's a lot of trades, and never mind it. I'm just showing you guys that we've been trading. This is 3 weeks of trading. Don't forget. 3 weeks. You said you're going to see how much you can make for our offices. So when you open the trading floor, we actually trade, you know, with some lekker money. So, boom, 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 all the way down to where we are. Depositors, as you can see, $10,000, right? Yes, profit is $50,000. So that means my account is sitting on 1.1 million rand right now. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna withdraw this money, and I'm gonna show you guys the process of how you withdraw money. So come closer, come, you don't be scared. So this is what we do. Go to the internet. This is my live account. Boom, as you can see, MT4 FX Pro $61,000. It's easy to withdraw, man. So all I do is come to my wallet. Come show me, bro. Show me too. Come to my wallet. And then withdraw. So first, before that, I have to, you know, stretch the funds, transfer the funds. Bear with me, guys. I just made $1 million, so you know I'm kind of hazy in my mind. My money got me going crazy, but never mind that. So source account, $61,000. I put it there. Target account, which is that one. Amount $60,000. So $60,000 is $1,040,000. You guys can see, there it is. I'm about to withdraw, and then done, transfer, and then boom, 60,000 in my wallet. If you go to MetaTrader, boom, only have $1,000 left now. So that means I literally just withdrew 1,040,000. Yes, guys, I literally just did that. And then when you're done, you go to FX Pro. Once the money's in your wallet, withdrawal. It's the easiest thing to withdraw, man. The money's made. So now you're just gonna eat. And then from here, I can't show you the details because obviously these are my bank details and stuff that I have to fill in for the money to come to my account. So they say the maximum bank wire transfer is $1 million. Oof, like I love talking about money, guys. But anyway, this is it, and this is how the journey went. So for you guys who have been guessing how much I was gonna make, I'm gonna go through my comments now, and I'm gonna choose one lucky person who said I was gonna make $60,000, which is $1 million, and I'm gonna give that person something. Because I know there's over 30 people, so I'm just gonna choose one lucky person. So if it's not you, don't catch feelings, even if you are right. It's what it is. It's life. You can't all win, bro. So yes, guys, 3 weeks took the account to 1.1 million. Trading floor is opening very soon. Details are coming, so make sure when the trading floor opens, you book your classes, you book your seats, come for the courses. It's gonna be worth it. You're going hard right now. This is the time to be making money. 2020 should be different for you. If I can make 1.1 million in 3 weeks, I mean, damn, bro. What could you make? Probably more. Don't ever underestimate yourself. But anyway, CEO and founder of Forex Kings, Jason Noah. Make sure you guys come check out our new offices in Maryland, Maine. You don't want to miss it. First ever biggest trading floor in Africa. I'm out.